Ants might seem small and easy to overlook, but they actually do a ton of work breaking down waste and improving soil health. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities, and here are 7 essential ways ants contribute to waste decomposition. Number 1. Scavenging dead organic matter. Ants are nature's cleanup crew, constantly on the lookout for dead insects, fallen leaves, and decaying plants. When you see them marching in a line, they're usually hauling away organic waste that would otherwise slow down the decomposition process. Number 2. Fragmentation of organic material. Once ants find food, they chew it up into smaller pieces using their mandibles. This increases the surface area for microbes to colonize, making decomposition happen faster. Number 3. Transportation to nests. Ants don't just leave the pieces lying around, they carry them back to their nests. These nests create warm, moist environments that are perfect for microbes to thrive and speed up decomposition. So, ants are basically moving organic matter to places where it breaks down more efficiently. Number 4. Nutrient cycling. As microbes break down the organic material inside ant nests, nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus are released into the soil. These nutrients are essential for plant growth and help keep the ecosystem balanced. A healthy ant population can actually boost soil fertility without anyone noticing. Number 5. Soil aeration. Ant tunneling creates channels that allow air, water, and nutrients to reach deeper soil layers. This aeration helps plant roots grow stronger and makes the soil structure better overall. Better soil means healthier plants in a more vibrant garden or natural area. Number 6. Ecosystem engineering. Ants reshape their environment by building nests and redistributing nutrients. Their activity creates diverse microhabitats that support other organisms like beetles and worms, increasing biodiversity. This helps ecosystems stay balanced and resilient. Number 7. Creation of nutrient hotspots. In places like rainforests, ants collect food from wide areas and concentrate it in specific spots, creating nutrient-rich zones. These hotspots boost plant growth and provide resources for many organisms, enhancing biodiversity. Want to bring these benefits to your yard? Check out bighomeprojects.com to connect with local experts who can help you create a healthier outdoor space.